30. Then, 3x, tsaka 30. Divide ko both sides by 3. Divide ko both sides by 3. Ang x ko is 10. So, yung isa, how old is the younger? So, ito is 10. Ito naman is 20. So, yung younger hinanap natin, very good, letter A. No? Isang 20, tsaka isang 10. Bakit? Kasi pag pinagsama mo yan, 30. Yung isa, doble ng isa. So, pag pinagsama mo, yun, no? Okay, very good, no? Thank you sa mga nag-follow, nagla-like, no, sa atin. Thank you very much. Next. Yan. A mother is now 4 times as old as her daughter. In 10 years, she will be twice as old as daughter. How old is the daughter now? Oh, ito, lagi itong lumalabas tong tanong na to. Okay? Ito yung pinaka, ng age problem. Yung usual.